Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to talk about the Bohr's atomic model. Okay, within 5 minutes we are going to understand what Bohr's atomic model is. So the very first postulate we are having, that is saying electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed circular path. Circular path. This is the first postulates that ruled out the Rutherford's atomic model, and this fixed circular path is also referred as the orbit, and this orbit is having the fixed energy and the fixed radius. Okay, right? Now come to the second postulate, that what we are having, the orbit of an electron does not change unless energy is added or removed. For example, let's suppose we are having an atom, and this is the what we are having, the orbit, and this is the nucleus, and the electrons revolving in this orbit, right? And what it is saying, if we are adding the energy to the electron, it is going to gain the energy and going to jump to the higher energy level. This is E1 and this is E2. We are having the energy level, or you can say the orbit, and this electron losing the energy and jumping to the lower energy orbit. So if we are adding the energy, the electron will jump to the higher energy level. If we are removing the energy, the electron will jump to the lower energy level. Okay, now come to the third postulate. What it is saying, the wavelength of radiation emitted by an atom depends on the energy difference of the initial and final orbits. Okay, let us understand how. For example, let's suppose we are having an atom, and this is what we are having, the orbits and the nucleus, and the electrons revolving in this orbit, right? So what it is saying, if this electron losing some of the energy in the form of radiation and jumping to the lower energy level, then it is jumping from E2 to E1. Okay, this is what we are having, the initial energy level or initial orbit, or this is the final orbit. So what we are going to say, the wavelength of this energy is going to depends on the energy difference, that is delta E, which is going to be equals to hc by lambda, and this lambda depends on this energy difference. Okay, hope you got it. Now come to the fourth postulate. What it is saying, the angular momentum of an electron is quantized. By quantized, we mean that it is having some of the fixed values. And how we are going to write it down, like mvr is equals to nh by 2 pi, and the fixed values will be in the multiple of the n. Okay, so hope you got the Bohr's atomic model. Thanks for being here and have a great day.